Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial we're going to guide you through the steps to recover your X, formerly Twitter account if you've lost access to your email or phone number. It's a situation many find themselves in and we're here to help, so let's dive in. First off, head over to the X homepage or open the app on your device. Remember, every step is crucial, so make sure to follow along. Now click on the login button. Here you would typically enter your email or phone number, but since we don't have access to those, let's move to the next step. Find and click on the Forget Password link. This is your first step towards regaining access to your account. You'll be prompted to enter your email or phone number, but since that's not an option, look for the phrase or link that says "Need more help" or some similar wording, and then click on it. Or you can go to your web browser and simply search help Twitter. Then tap on it. Now you can see a page or a form where you can explain your situation. This is where you need to specify that you have lost access to both your email and phone number linked to your X account. Then fill out the form with as much details as possible. You will likely need to provide your account username, any previous email addresses or phone numbers associated with the account, and possibly answer security questions you set up previously. Once you submit the form, it might take a while for the support team to get back to you. Patience is key here. While you wait, let's talk about a few tips to avoid this situation in the future. Always make sure your account details are up to date and consider setting up additional recovery options if available. It's also a good idea to have a recovery email that you regularly check. And that's it for today's tutorial on how to recover your X account without an email or phone number. I hope this video was helpful and that you'll be back in your account soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss out our updates.